I got the most epic garden book haul, you guys, for 17 bucks. Check it out. Hey guys, so I just wanted to share with you this garden haul that I recently got. This will be just a quick little video, but I recently won an auction for garden books, and it's over 100 books, and I just want to give you like a little sneak peek as to what that looks like. So we've got books down here. There are books on everything, just roses, different types of gardens, specific plants. We've got hydrangeas, we've got lilies, there's again roses, there are shrub books, tree books, encyclopedias, lots of old books, like some really cool vintage houseplant books, which I cannot wait to dig into those. We've got drying flowers. There's all kinds of stuff here, which is so exciting. Farming books. The person who owned these prior to had to have been a gardener, and I'm guessing her husband was like a travel nerd because they had so many books on traveling and places that, you know, they've been to. There were photo albums, just so many things. And this auction site is something that is specific to Ohio. And I mean, anyone could shop on it and, you know, bid on it, but you have to come to Ohio to pick up your things. Generally, I think they do ship sometimes depending on what it is. So yeah, super cool. I was so excited to get this haul. I won it. It only cost me 17 bucks. Look how cool this book is. And it even has wormholes in it. Super cool. I think this one was first printed in the 1940s. So super cool. Some of the books even have like, you know, a dedication, like a written dedication to the prior owner, which is really sweet. So many, I know these books hold so many memories for that person. And I'm just so happy to have them. It's exciting, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I won't be keeping everything. I don't have a space for every book, so I am gonna go through them, figure out what I want to keep, and then donate the rest to Goodwill or, you know, someplace that will put them to use. But yeah, so that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. It's not a long video, it's just a short little haul video. So here's a little update. I have been putting the books away. I got the encyclopedias on this shelf. I think they look amazing. This is my IKEA shelf. And I've got them stacked. I've got some other books here too that I thought looked really cool. And I put them there. And then those encyclopedias of gardening. This used to be, these were my grandma's. There's two of them. The other one is up here on that shelf. And then I have some more encyclopedias down here holding up this plant. And I think it looks really, really nice. It definitely adds some interest to this shelf other than the plants. And I like it so much. And I'm so happy to be able to use my grandma's bookends. They were kind of sitting on a shelf somewhere, not doing anything. So I'm happy to put those to use. And they look super cute. I spray painted them years ago, and I decided the color works just fine in here. So cute. Now let me show you another spot. So this is my buffet that I put in the living room for decor purposes. And this room is still a work in progress, but I love having these books in here. They definitely elevate the space. And many of the books, you know, I wasn't necessarily interested in keeping, you know, this one, but based off of the way that the cover looks, I thought it was super cool. So I think it looks really good here. And then we have this one that looks really pretty. So I just put those there. And then over here by my terrarium, I have some more books. I'm trying to keep the oldest books in here and just kind of style the oldest books more so than the newer books. So the newer books I want that I am very interested in reading sooner rather than later. I'm keeping those more in the forefront where they're easy to get to. So like on my table there, I'm going to keep some books on there, and then the table actually has a bottom layer where I'm going to keep some books there for easy access. And I can't do anything without an animal. What, Storm? Like, I cannot move around this house or do a thing without them. We keep these living room doors closed just to keep this room from being like full of cat hair, cat scratching the couches, you know, anything. And then knocking over, eating plants. Like, there's stuff in here I don't want them to be. I mean, they don't really chew on anything, but I just don't want them climbing on my shelves and jumping on things that they shouldn't be. So this room I usually keep the doors closed unless we're having a get together or something, and then I'll open them up. So over here, I've got some books. Now these ones don't have that super old feel, but I thought they looked cute to stack some books up over here, and raise some plants up, which is what I really love. And there goes my begonia, whitey maculata, beautiful. And then let me show you. So onto the mantle, and these books up here some of these are older, like these ones, and then some of them are a bit newer, and by new I mean like 2010 new. I didn't see anything that was 2020 or, you know, around this time, but I mean, how much does things change? So these guys up here look beautiful. I love, it's just, something changed when I added the books to this room. It just elevated the room. Now I'm still decorating and still gathering pieces for this space, so it is a work in progress. Definitely gonna add, I want like a really nice comfy lounge chair with an ottoman to go there. I was gonna do this chair, but it's too short to go next to the buffet. I feel like the chair is really tiny, and anyone who sits there would have to, and want to like sit their drink up there, they'd have to like really reach up and over instead of just over. So we'll see. I'll try to find some things. It's a wreck in here now, especially with the books. I'm still working on everything. I do a little bit each day to look through a stack and then move it around. But yeah, I've got stacks everywhere, pillows everywhere, so many things. So as this progresses, I'll show you guys, you know, what things look like and how it's going. So this is our office, and I actually put a small stack of books in here as well that I wanted to show you guys. Bao Bao decided it was his time to shine, so he just took all of the attention. So there is the stack, and yeah, I think they look really nice in here. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next. Let me know if you have any questions about any of these books or anything that you saw in the video today. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.